So this week we're doing Mochiko chicken. It's been getting a little warmer here in the Bay, and it reminds me of when I used to live on Kauai. And one of the things I thought was interesting when I did my externship in Kauai with Mark's Place and Contemporary Flavors Catering was I was watching one of the chefs make Mochiko chicken, and I didn't know what it was up until then, and I just thought it held so much flavor for something that was ridiculously simple to prep for or make. So I want to just share that recipe with you because I've been missing Hawaii so much. And yeah, I'm Carl with Adventures of Carlienne, so let's get going. Okay, this one's an easy one. You're gonna need chicken thighs, eggs, shoyu, sugar, cornstarch, mochiko flour, mirin, ginger, minced garlic, and some salt. To start this dish off, we're gonna make our marinade. And you're gonna take 2 eggs, half a cup of shoyu, half a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of mirin and mix that into a nice mixing bowl. Now the reason I love this dish so much is because it's so flexible. You're just going to need to keep to that ratio of equal parts shoyu, sugar, cornstarch, and mochiko flour, and you're good to go. The next thing you're going to do is add your garlic and your ginger to the mix. Then, half a cup of sugar and mix it in really well. When that's nice and mixed up, you're going to slowly start to add your cornstarch. You're going to try to get all the lumps out as much as you can because you want it nice and smooth. After, you're going to add your flour into this mix and then do the same. Just take out all the clumps, go ham on it, whatever you need to do to get it all there. Now I thought my mix was a little thin, so I added more cornstarch and flour to it so it can thicken up a little bit. The consistency we're going for is kind of like a runny peanut butter. If it's too thick, add your shoyu and some mirin to the mix to thin it out. When your marinade's done, you can throw all the chicken you want in there, seal it up with some plastic wrap, and put it in the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours. It's best if you can do this overnight, because the longer the better. When you're ready to fire these suckers, you're going to heat your oil to about a 320 to 325. And since I'm using bone-in skin-on thighs, I'm going to put a little dredge on it before I hit it in the fryer. This is definitely an optional step. You can put it from the marinade straight to the fire, or you can even use boneless, skinless thighs and cut it up into pieces. That's why this dish is so awesome. You can pretty much do whatever to it and it still comes out really tasty. Now with these big boys, you want the internal temperature to be around 160 degrees and take it out and let it rest, because carryover cooking is going to do the rest of the cooking for you. I know that was a lot of resting and cooking, but you get it. So I took some boneless, skinless thighs that I had laying around and I cut it up and marinated it yesterday, just so I can show you what it looks like when using this kind of a cut and also going from the marinade and straight to the fryer. So you see how flexible this dish is? You can literally use any cut of chicken. Please don't use chicken breast, because fried chicken and chicken breast don't go. Don't do it. It's a sin if you do it. Please just don't. Okay, thanks. There you have it, 2 styles of crispy Mochiko chicken with a little drizzle of a shoyu mayo and some furikake, and now it's time to feed my better half. Alright.